Finally, I'm filming the intro after I've done the shenanigans that I needed for this video. So, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know who I am, my name is Leon. I do DIY videos, sewing videos. Yeah, sewing videos. Yeah, that's basically what I do. So, if you're new here and you like the content that you see on my channel, please like, share, and subscribe for more goodness. So today we're going to do something totally different. I decided to do a styling video. I won't say a trial haul because it's not a haul. A styling videos of all my DIY projects that I've done for the past 1 year. Yeah. I've been DIYing for 1 year. Wow, wow. Time flies. So today I'll be showing you how I styled the pieces that I made, and I hope you enjoy this video, and I hope you stay for more content. Yeah, please like, share, and subscribe. So let's get to the video. Yeah, let's get to the video. So this is the first outfit. So the piece that I DIY'd, it's the tube top, the black tube top over there. So I decided to style it this way. I think it's a casual, chic, street style, whatever. I say whatever a lot. So I have my headband or turban over there because it's a bad hair day. Then I paired it with some gold chain over there, a gold wristband, a gold bracelet, and gold earrings. Then the shoes are just some high top shoes that I thrifted for 100 shillings. Yes, mia moja peke yake. Hey, ask me where I get my things from. So this is the whole outfit, and I think it's super cute, super cute. This is me just showing you the full outfit all round. This is the front, side view, then the back. I'll insert a picture of on the next slide. So the next one, I decided to pair this houndstooth hat. I DIY'd because it was overly big to fit me. So I'm just doing a casual look, not too serious. So I just paired it with a white t-shirt. It's a baggy t-shirt XL. I'll prefer a plain white, but my plain white t-shirt is dirty. And then I wore some Converse. So white t-shirt, a plaid, or is it a houndstooth skirt? A turban. Yeah, a turban. Then I decided to also wear these black and white earrings. Yeah, a simple look. So this is it. So this is the full view. I'm sorry about the weird angle, but it's the only way I could make this video not to be grainy, because apparently my skirt it's doing some weird thing on camera. I don't know what's happening, but this is a full outfit. Super cute. My next outfit are these denim pants. I never posted the video, but yes, I do like them too. They were undersized. They didn't fit me well, so I added this stuff over here from other old jeans to make them fit me perfectly. Yeah, and now they do. Then I put them with some Converse, some black high top Converse. So yeah, this was I'm working with. And this Hawaiian punch t-shirt. It's a simple, and so that I can look cute, I added nothing like, yeah, it's simple, no stress, just a casual, my headband, then gold chain, then also some golden hoops. Cute. Next top is this. This was my first ever DIY project, and I was so happy about it. I was so fucking thrilled that I could actually transform some old dress that I had that was no longer wearing it into this cute. Isn't it cute? Ah! This actually, I think, because it's my first DIY, I'll forever treasure it. Just look at how amazing it looks. Look, I did that. I'm always happy wearing it. I will say it's one of my favorite tops. So yeah, I decided to pair it with this kind of grey washed cargo pants. They're not fully cargo, but yeah, they have cargo pockets. You know, you can clearly see. And this boots. I thrifted this boots for 100 bucks. Yes, 100 bucks. So yeah, this is my look. Oh, and simple earrings I had earlier, and a silver chain. I'm not doing much with the accessories because honestly, I don't own that much accessories. So this is what we're working with. This is my favorite top, I'm not gonna lie. And I think I really look cute in it. What do you think? If I had the video of how I did this, I linked it on Instagram. I posted it on my IG. Follow me on Instagram. It was like in November 2020. Damn, 1 year ago. I went for 1 year. Ooh, yes. Yeah. Go follow me on Instagram. Scroll through my posts and you'll see how I came up with this. This is my Instagram handle. This that's volume coming. So this is the look. This is how it looks. Well, yeah. And shoes. I'll insert I'll insert a picture of how it looks. So this is the next outfit. This I DIYed like 2 months ago. I'm not sure. 2 months, give or take. So yeah, I decided to just wear some earring with a pearl, a silver necklace, and some heels. Yeah. So that's it. So the next top I have is this. What color is this? It's on the side of brownish. I know on camera it looks like maroon, but this is a brown. It's a certain kind of brown. I don't know what kind. So I'm just white, no bra, and I think yeah. Sometimes it's tired from wearing the bras, so gotta cut them. Yeah, I think it still looks cute. My girls are sitting right. It's fitting me well, so yeah, there's no issue there. This one I did from, I think it was my first video I posted on YouTube. Yeah, it was on, I think it was in June. I'm not sure, but yeah. So this top, I paired it with this pre-washed cargo pants I had earlier on. Same turban, earrings, and I think, as I said earlier, accessories. I don't know. Honestly, I wouldn't say I don't know how to accessorize things. It's just that I do not have accessories. Well, while trying all my clothes today, I've realized I actually need a couple of things, like new earrings, new necklaces, bangles. Yeah, that is. But we gotta stay pretty, pretty. Yeah. So yeah, this top appeared with this cargo pants and the shoes. I'll insert a picture of how I paired them. I paired this or I wore this in another occasion. So yeah, but for today, this is the look. Yep, on to the next one. So our next outfit is this spaghetti top. I'll call it that. Yeah, with a cutout over here. This and the previous one I just showed you, I did the DIY at the same time out of the same dress, and I got two of this. So this is how I'll style it. I have worn it. I want this with this white leg pants, bell bottom pants. Mm. Oh my god, yes, and um fake Gucci slides. These are fake Gucci, but yes, I have some Gucci's on, but they are Gucci. I'm funny. So editing Lilian over here. You see what I meant with these are my hoochies. These are the hoochies I was telling you about. They are designer hoochies from, I bought them from Gikomba. Anyway, nilinunua via to Gikomba. Yeah. We have the Gucci logo over there. Fake it till you make it. Or whatever they say. Yeah. So these are the hoochies, guys. So this top appeared to this black bell bottom pants and my Gucci shoes. Gucci shoes. Yeah, that's all. I think yeah, this is how it looks. Yeah, the belly. I think I have one last piece. Yeah, one last piece. I'll just wear it over this because I think it will go itaendanisha hebu niache kujifanya naongea kizungu nyingi itaendanisha na this outfit. Oh, stop. Wait a minute. So it's this jacket, like it was a sleeveless denim jacket, and I added these sleeves from an old sweater top to create a denim with knitted pants. So let's see. I think it'll look good with this outfit. If I'm out at a party and I get cold, knitted denim or whatever. Yeah. Yes. 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 We look cute. We definitely look cute. We look cute. Period. Period. Just purr. We look cute though. Yeah. So this most some of the pieces I've shown you today, you've not seen them earlier because I did them before I started YouTube, and the videos, I think I deleted them or I don't know, but I know for sure I posted this on my IG. The things that I did earlier on, I posted them on my IG. So follow me, follow me. Actually put some cute pics over there. Yeah. So this is the denim jacket. Looks like this. And that's the back. With my fake Gucci. Yeah. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope I'll get to do more styling videos. Yes, styling videos in the future when I do more DIYs. For today, that's all from me. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Like, share, subscribe. Deuces. Bye bye.